singakhohlwa ukuthi singababonge umile lapho lechezi number 10 Scott Maphuma uyayishaya into kaphekampi ishaya emadodeni unondoma losomuthi play uyayithola futhi Scott unondoma unacceptable ishova yamampela WW baphusele KG WW ushaya ngehlombe first aid ushaya ngehlombe nangenhloko phansi sorry askis umshovile
sho sesekhona la eMabuya ground ngiphethe izinja zakhona angitshele mngani wami
yeah
tanga urepresentani
hle mina igama namba mfethu style sibonga entertainer abanye bathu vela bahle ukucela zimnika uTarantino ubukiso bhanya ama camera ngishuto umathela waye komacapho nakusaludo bla magazine safa indlala uzophathathatha uKing Mashobana mina bafethu ngirepresenta a living existence of a rather different existence yabo asifuna ukwenza izinto njenga wonke umuntu thina siphila ngokuhluka yabona nezinywele ezipink yabona like sedelele like we just trying to show ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona ngendlela ezihlukile hayi ngalendlela ejwayelekile so we don't want everyone to conform to everything done normally yabo yeah say beties
showcase
but in a good way
showcase
igama lami usisiyo amadodela ngikhubo la emashanganeni lana eDumeri Street hello sanibonani mina nguzenzi okosema ngihlala eMagwaza le Central ngaseSinaba mina ngipresenta iMabuya ground kunama celebrity lana mina ngishuthile ke no Big Zulu no bani konke nje ngishutile nabo nizowabona nani
umzansi votha ophosha lona owase extension 3 ngirepresenta is long nje kuyiteam yaseKasi shuthi mina ngirepresenta iteam yase Davidson ne ngirayita ngisho slob yeah yase Davidson sibona abaskongathi aba Big Zulu yabana kumnandi la mangekho la ngazi ukuthi mina kuphi
mfana mina I represent me Vander Baloyi lo
Vander Baloyi
Vander as in Afrikaans Vander B
yabona nje yami yabona ngishaya athaya yazi mangikubona ngithi ile Kaizer Chiefs ngithi ile kade uVander
uVander nje aphelele nje akunanto nje enzima senze nje into yabalula nje uyangithola
kahle
mina nje fashion and music
showcase bakubiza ngobani
igama lami Jizi ngangithola ku IG Jizi Level RSA Khuleka fashion Jizi Level streetwear yaqala
showcase yami uNtonsi Style ama designer ama stylist yeah ngona ibrand abayibiza iDisplay Jeans ne-University of Davidson eKasi bayekena phela
showcase angitshele nje yami urepresentani kahle
ngirepresenta iReal Madrid so abajita vele nabo nyabakhindisa so kula ngihlangane nabo khona so iteam engisupportayo vandag ngaba neReal Madrid
I represent women
okay ngiyakuthola sisi angitshele uphumaphi ikasi lakho skip
okay mina I'm from Davidson Mayfield extension 8 that is my cast
yeah sorry baje wayetha so ngoba busy la ngithi shout out represent kanjani
anything what do you represent
yeah mina nje ngirepresentayo kasami ubomnandi ubomnandi guys happiness nje kuphela kithi happiness
alright besides ukushaya ama pass down samanta nani siyona my word of the day siyawa keep so my word of the day bengikhalela ukuthi ngongibusisa abachita ngayo ukuthi do what you have so you can get what you want yabo but ungabi too hungry ukuthi uzidle noma kuba yiphi plate because you never know ukuthi bakufakele inda you know but just focus do what's right and then uzoba grand everyone knows what to do kuzobe grand life in thank you
umphakathi into engizobatshela yona ukuthi guys ngicela ukuthi sisupporteni abantwana bethu bayadlala nakusasa sizophinda sibabone kuma national television ngicela ukuthi sihlale sibanikeza isupport every time nakubhola lethu nakuphikhlale ngikhona la eMabuya ground guys ngicela ukuthi siphumeni singabantu solo business sihleli silinde abantwana ukuthi akekho umuntu ozongena athi uPatrice Mutsimbo uyakokota kwakho no umntanakho makawumbona ukuthi unetalente miyise emabuya ground ama-opportunity maningi guys asupporteneni njengami ngikhona ngiyasupporta so guys let's love one another.
Sibukela abafana bethu abancane yabona abadivelophayo into ezinjengalezo umuntu othanda idiski bafethu abe la bamscouthe azokwazi ukurepresenta ikasi lethu.
Hayi namanje mngani wami bheka ke awungitshele yini into ofuna ukuyitshela umphakathi wase-Davidson nje ngelanga lanamhlanje or anything else?
Mina into engingayitshela abantu bala eDavidson manje ukuthi yazini uma une-talent stick to that thing uphushe njengalayo yabona manje sisebholeni siyazi si-Davidson injani ke kasilami yazi singediski sintswembu.
Awungitshele yini into ofuna ukuyitshela abantu base-Davidson?
Focus, process, focus kule nto yenzayo. Awazi ngomoya amalanga uzophumelela. One of the good days.
Okay. Njaka Gogo yini ofuna ukuyitshela ikasi i-Davidson as a whole nje?
As a whole ngabatshela ukuthi bafeta siphusheni. Ikasi lethu li-blind, ikasi lethu bali-recognize. If ikhona into oyenzayo oyi-creative, ichubeka kanje unga give up at the end of the day uzophumelela.
Into engayitshela abantu base-Davidson ukuthi let's stand together and fight this xenophobia thing that's going on in this country.
Guys, ngifuna nje ukusho ukuthi everyone mhlambe noma ongakaze nje athi kana uze la eTown hlezi host wake la ekhaya isekhaya la ikababa nize like nizo enjoy ubumnandi ayikhethe indlela ubumnandi guys siphila kayi-1 by the way.
Okay iquestion yokugcina ngicela ukuthi shout out to eTwatwa TV.
Oh guys, ngithi shout out to eTwatwa TV. I love you guys. Stay tuned every day please.